Hola, señorita.
Oh my gosh. Good morning, everyone.
Getting one last look at the view?
Yes, look at the ocean.
I know, it's pretty spectacular right now.
It's beautiful, and because of this glass railing, you can sit here, take in the views. We're super bummed. This is our last day here. We're leaving.
Boo!
We got all packed up.
It's so sad.
What's that song? Our bags are packed. We're ready to go. Da, da,
wow,
da,
this looks
da.
really good right here. Oh my gosh.
It's so pretty. Cancun is so beautiful.
It is amazing. That water, whew.
I know, you guys, we have had a good morning today. We actually start off the morning, we hit the gym, which I know we showed the gym a little bit, but the views from the gym are so beautiful. They're waterfront, oceanfront.
It was amazing. I almost got a workout in.
Almost. But we started that off, grabbed a little bit of breakfast.
Perfect.
Got packed up, sadly.
I know. The room is, well, it's
We're
just
almost
the room.
there. I just need my charger, a few other things.
Yep.
But man, I gotta say, this has been a dream. Literally waking up to this.
Yeah,
like
this
is the view you wake up to. This has
Can you believe that?
Such an incredible few days. We feel so grateful and lucky to have this experience.
I know.
Speaking of that,
Yeah.
we cannot wait to
Oh my
share
gosh, yes.
the whole reason why we were here.
Yes,
so stay
yes.
tuned for that. It's gonna be coming out in the
Incredible.
next little bit.
Yep.
But yeah, guys, it's been awesome from start to finish. This resort,
Yeah.
babe, what are your overall thoughts on the resort? We should give
Amazing.
our recommendation.
Honestly, I loved it. Like this is not like sponsored at all. And I personally love the resort. The food probably could have been a little bit better.
Yeah.
But the room's awesome. The views are awesome. I love that super high up.
Yes.
I mean, yeah, I think it was really, really just great stay.
I mean, we've stayed at quite a few all-inclusives, and I feel like typically, usually the food's never like
great,
amazing.
Yeah.
I will say last night's dinner at the steakhouse was our best meal for sure.
So good.
The breakfast options with like the pastries are really good.
Yep.
Lunch
So
is
good.
hit and miss.
Yep.
So if you're looking for an all-inclusive, the grounds here though, the size of the hotel, the cleanliness has all been really good. That's really important to me.
That's the one thing is like with a lot of these other like big, let's just check, show you. But a lot of these other resorts, they're massive. They're like huge like compounds, I want to say. And this one's just really, really small, but it has a lot to do in a really small space.
Yeah, so the one right next door to us is the Hard Rock.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, see, the Hard Rock is right here.
And
That's
it's
the
huge.
entrance, and the one next door to that is the JW Marriott. So it's in a really good
Look
location.
at this one down here. That's huge.
That thing's massive down there.
Yeah, it's ginormous.
The pools, the beachfront stuff, the entertainment has all been really good. The staff has been so nice.
It's been, the staff, oh my gosh. I became like best friends with Ebeth. She was awesome. She was so nice.
Sweetest ever.
And I actually learned quite a bit of Spanish from her.
You did.
Yeah.
And I did too a little bit, right?
Yeah. Oh, 100%. Yeah.
Yes.
It was so cool.
So anyways, you guys, overall, it's been a great few days.
Yes.
It was fun to kind of sneak away here for a little bit.
Yeah, it was really cool just to be able to be here and experience everything. Now we are packing back up.
I know.
And I don't know if you guys are anything like us, but I checked every nook and cranny to make sure I didn't forget anything. I looked underneath every single one of these couches.
Good
I was moving
job,
these drapes like
Jared.
this. And guess what? I found my wedding ring.
What, really?
I really did.
You had dropped it?
It was on the dresser there, or like the nightstand, and I guess it had fallen off. Yeah.
Babe.
I know. So it's a good
for
thing
you.
to always do a last little check.
Wow.
Make sure you have everything. But yeah.
I did not know that. I must have been gone when you found that.
Now I'm just going to sit here.
But guess what you can't forget?
Oh, and sleep. No.
Guess what you can't forget? Over here on the counter are your famous pants. We gotta return them.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh.
You gotta return them.
Gosh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, I think Brittany might make that a reel.
Oh, I have to. You guys, I was laughing so hard. Seriously, if you guys missed our last video, go back and check out. You will find out why Jared has loaner pants.
Yeah, it was actually really funny because Brittany sent it to her brother Brett and his wife Maddie, and they were laughing, and Maddie's all like, how in the world are they both oversized and short at the same time?
Yeah, they were like, how are they big but also too small? All at the same time. We were laughing so hard.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. But
I'm sad though, the trip is coming to an end.
I know, but the good news is, you guys, we miss our little Finners.
Yeah.
Sweet neighbor Linda, you guys. She literally treats him like royalty. She sends me updates every single day of what they're doing. She takes them on like walks. She puts them in the stroller if it's too hot and like walks them around in a little stroller, which is so sweet. They're at the hairdresser right now.
Which is so cool.
She took him with her, which is the cutest thing ever. Can't thank her enough, but we are super excited. That's always the best part about going home is seeing cute little finners.
I know.
And I know you guys probably miss him too in our videos, but Cancun, babe, I still can't believe this view behind you. Oh, do you want to tell me about the bridge? When you talk about this bridge?
So I'm probably going to botch the name of this bridge, but it's called the Nichupté Bridge, and it was inaugurated in May of this year. So it's only like 6 weeks old.
Oh, really? It's new? I didn't know that
It's like brand spanking new. It is 7 miles long, and it is 5 miles long over the lagoon itself. It is the largest bridge in Mexico, and one of the longest bridges over like water in Latin America.
You guys, how cute is Jared? He literally...
I researched it. I thought it was cool.
Back up, he's like, do you want to hear all these facts about this bridge? He was like, because we were saying last night, because when it's lit up at night, it looks... I mean, it is. It's so long and so big. And he was like, I researched about the bridge, and then he was telling me it all.
It's cool. It's a super long bridge. I mean, you know, like the 7 mile bridge down in the Keys that everyone talks about? This one's 7 miles.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just like incredible.
Yeah, it's awesome. Also, if you're coming here, it looks like they do a ton of excursions right from the lagoon right here. There's always boats and jet skis going that look really fun. I mean, how fun would this be to like go out on jet skis? Yeah,
exactly. I mean, so where we're at right now is Secrets the Vine Hotel, and right next to us is the Hard Rock. So kind of give you like visual reference. Right in front of that, it looks like there's tons of jet ski rentals and like boat rentals. Yeah,
stuff there. Also, we are sad we didn't make it over to Island Mujeres. Am I saying that right?
Yeah, Mujeres? I have no idea. But yeah.
But that is going to be on our list next time coming because we hear great things about that. Also, you guys, seaweed, they literally keep this beach here so clean.
Oh,
like
it's so pristine,
in other hotels, you can kind of see where the seaweed is. But they bring out the tractor several times a day here. So you can kind of even just see, like look right down here. So you see how clean it is right here compared to some of the ones down there. But we really, really lucked out with the weather.
It's awesome.
With the resort.
Seriously, I think I might just hide away, change the locks on the doors so no one else can get in, book the room, and call it good.
But babe, I think everyone's question is, let's come over here. Did Jared end up taking a bath?
Well, the answer to that is we still have time. So, Britt, you know, this may not be fit for, what's the phrase? NSF? NS? Not safe for work?
Oh my gosh, you actually fit in that tub. That's a big tub.
This is amazing. This is a huge tub. Which way would you lay? This way?
I guess
this
so.
Way. Wow, this is huge.
Wow.
It's almost big enough for 2 people.
Almost.
I think 2 people could easily fit in here.
Oh my gosh, this is really cool though. This is like seeing with the doors open like that.
Oh my gosh, I think I want to take we have about 10 minutes before we need to leave.
You want to just like hurry, want me to throw some rose petals in there really quick and you'll be good?
You can throw yourself in here real quick.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry for Jared's jokes today. But man, Cancun, thank you for the gorgeous time.
Yes.
And it's time to grab our bags. Babe, we got to head to the airport. We arranged an airport transfer ahead of time.
I'm still sitting in here, but
what?
I know I'm still sitting here, but it actually feels quite good.
Well, do you want to stay? You can stay in your tub if you want.
But yes, we did arrange a airport transfer with the hotel.
It's super close. It's like what, 20 minutes away?
Yeah, 20 minutes away.
Not too bad. So.
Yeah, not too bad. So we're
all right, babe.
We're set and ready.
Grab the bags. Adios, Cancun.
Yeah.
Next stop, Florida. All right, we got the pants returned. Our bags are here. We're just waiting for our transfer, so we decided to eat a little more. You guys, their pastries are so good. So these are like cinnamon roll croissants and then plain croissants. Jared had a chocolate croissant.
Yeah.
We're eating all the croissants. They literally taste like the ones in Paris, though. They're so good. I'm not joking. This might be my favorite thing here. Sad to leave the paradises out there. It's actually less windy today, too. The weather is so beautiful, but we are ready to go.
Did it.
See you next weekend.
Okay, sounds good. See ya.
Gracias. Also, just heads up, you have to check out at the front desk. You can't just like leave like some other hotels.
You have to get a checkout card.
Yes.
A physical card, yeah. A little different.
Nice.
Hola,
Hola.
Well, we just made it through security. Now we're in the duty-free section.
Look how fun this is. It's so colorful.
It is really cool. It's kind of like the final upsells right before you leave.
We might need to just take a gander in the Taste of Mexico.
Ooh, what about the fashion area?
What?
This is really cool.
Ooh.
So, this is like put on everything here. It's like on pineapple, sure. On your pina colada, sure. On your pillow, sure. Just kidding.
I've actually never tried Mexican candy.
This candy?
Oh, look, dulce de leche. Do you think that's like caramel? Dulce?
That sounds good. Buy two, get one free.
Mexicano?
Pretty good pronunciation there.
Oh, they got lots of hot sauce.
I know. Man, they got a lot of good stuff. Ooh, look at this. Now, this reminds me of, what's that one movie?
Okay, I bet
it.
Mexican chocolate's actually really good.
I bet it's really good too. Was chocolate discovered in Mexico?
Beans? I feel like the chocolate beans. 'Cause
Maybe.
I think they're known for coffee too.
I can't remember.
I don't know.
This sounds good. We'll say it. Hey, Britt, what's the movie with the kid?
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
The Disney movie.
The Disney movie.
Where you like
Chaka?
No.
Coco?
Coco. Yeah.
Is it Coco?
Coco something. Coco.
Okay.
Yeah, it
that's
does
what
remind me
I
of that.
It's so cool.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Whoa.
Skeletons everywhere.
Yeah.
So fun.
So now we're basically just hanging out. We got all checked in, ready to go.
Luckily, our
Bags
check-in
are-
line was really quick.
Oh yeah, super quick.
Southwest line was so packed.
Oh, it was bad. Even
So
just to
busy.
drop off the bags, it was slammed. One little.
Oh, look how cute. Look, these are like a little hot sauce pack.
Oh, that is cute.
If I like hot sauce more, I'd get
This
that.
is kind of fun little. You know what I did not get? I'm just thinking about it right now. I didn't get a tank top, Britt. A Cancun tank top.
But you already got one from Mexico. Look at this. It's like pecan and caramel, maybe? I wonder if those are good.
That does sound good. One thing I'd highly recommend when you're checking into your flight with JetBlue, definitely get all the way through online before you come here because you don't have to stand on those super long lines. All we had to do is go up to the kiosk, print off our bag tags, and we dropped them off. It was easy.
It was quick.
And
I
my
know.
bag was exactly 50 pounds.
Wow, babe, do you want a gold star?
Yeah, I do.
Derek
actually.
gets a gold star for most accurate.
I'm feeling pretty good.
Whoa, this is quite the food court right when you exit.
Wow.
Look at that. I
Look
think
at
they're
this.
catering towards Americans. Johnny Rockets, Panda Express burgers.
And this
Oh.
section is interesting.
Wow.
It's burgers or lingerie.
Ooh, guacamole.
Wow,
This
this
is so
is
cool.
amazing.
Yeah.
So many things to choose from.
Oh, look
Yes.
at the fun.
Okay,
Sombreros.
we're from Florida, Fort Lauderdale.
Sombreros.
Thank you.
We got pottery. Jared just got sucked in by a lady selling
Brittany
stuff.
kept walking.
I just kept walking.
Hey, check it out though. Maybe it's good. I don't know.
Wow. Look at all these
Hey,
fun
Brittany,
things.
do you want to get your dish? You guys do
Jared
tank
said if
tops?
they have any tank tops. I don't
No?
think they do. Darn
Darn.
it.
Do you know anyone that does? No tank tops?
No
Okay.
tank tops. Well, we're not going to stop for food because we stuffed ourselves with so many croissants.
I was joking with Brittany. I think we had like 1,000 calories each of just carbs.
Okay, but Jared tried one of the plain croissants. Those are my favorite. And babe,
Amazing. Usually I hate croissants. I don't think they're that good. I always feel like they're dry. This was like so buttery.
they literally tasted like homemade buttery.
Yeah.
So good.
Amazing.
I'm not even joking. All right, we're a little confused.
Yes.
On our boarding pass, it says gate 57, but we're at gate 57 and it says New York.
And it leaves at 1, and ours is supposed to board at 1:50, so like 50 minutes later, the other plane's supposed to be ready to go. I feel like that's not going to happen.
Wait, we've got to go ask someone. Even on the app, it says gate 57. Okay, so we think we're 50 minutes early till boarding starts, so maybe they're trying to get that plane boarded. There's a JetBlue one there, so maybe that one's kind of just waiting.
Yeah.
We don't know. The lady.
You know, if we got to stay a little bit longer here, it's fine.
Yeah, if we got to go back,
Yeah.
why not? Just kidding. I need to go see my finners. I miss them so much.
I know.
Brett and Maddie, are
no
you joking
way.
me? You guys.
This is too nice.
Oh. They know us too well. Look at these beautiful flowers, tennis balls.
That's
Brett
incredible.
was saying I needed more tennis balls. He's so cute. Pickles, salami. Oh my
yeah,
gosh.
this is all gonna be gone.
As if we need more food.
This is all gonna be
Jared's
gone.
favorite, Coke Zero.
Guys, we love you. We miss you.
I know, you guys. They left a few days ago.
Yeah.
Oh, but it feels so good to be home. We were
It does feel
about,
good.
you guys, what is it about flying that you get so tired? It's like all you're doing is sitting there.
My back hurts, and all I do is sit.
And all we do is sit, but yeah, you're so tired. Oh, home sweet home.
Home sweet home. We missed you.
Oh,
it's beautiful.
beautiful.
Out.
I know, it's such a beautiful night. But it is not home yet
Yes.
until we get our little finners.
Our little puppers.
So Jared's gonna go pick them up, and then we get to do our favorite part
Yeah.
when he comes back.
Dude, you want to see mommy? You want to see mommy? Let's go see mommy. You want to see mommy? You want to go see her? You want to see? You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
You're no baby.
Oh my gosh! Good boy, dude. Good boy.
Get in here. Are you
Come
home?
here, bro.
Is he going
You're
to get
home.
toys?
You're home.
Oh my goodness. Look at you. Where are
Good
you?
boy.
Where are you? Oh my goodness.
Hey, bro. Hey, dude. We missed you.
Hi,
We missed you.
Hi, you little fluffy boy. Oh my goodness. Come here. Up, up, up.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you guys, all is right in the world. We're back with our little buddy.
We missed you. We missed you.
Hi, hi. Oh yes, all the kisses. Did you have so much fun?
boy.
Did you have so much fun? Look at this towel. He's going crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, those are some puppy kisses.
Those are some good kisses, dude. We missed you.
What did he do when he saw you?
He was excited. He was jumping all over me.
Oh, Marcia, look at this.
I'm so
Did
happy.
you have fun? Did you have so much fun? All right, you guys. Well, we are going to enjoy some time with our little boy. But thank you so much for coming with us to Mexico. Hopefully, you guys had fun on our little trip. But don't get too comfortable. We literally leave for the Big Bingham family trip here in just a few days. So,
and then when that video comes out about what we did in Cancun, that's going to be pretty awesome.
yes, you guys. But we love you all. Thanks for traveling with us. And we will see you all next time.
See you guys. Love you. Bye.